Hi students, I am Anumali, Assistant Professor in the Department of Business Administration, Subject Business Communication, Class 1st BBA. 5th Unit, Communication Media. Now we are going to discuss about communication media. Communication media is nothing but a process of sending or receiving data through a channel of communication. Now, there are so many communication media available here. They are TV, radio, print industry, outdoor media, internet, email, cell phone, fax, telephone and so on. Now, we are seeing to fax. Fax meaning a fax is the telephone transmission of scanned in printed material, usually to a telephone number associated with a printer or other output device. Definition: fax is the short form of facsimile, a modern device which is used for transmitting various written paper like diagram, drawing, letters, circulars, sketches, articles, and so on. It is an improved electronic version of the telefax machine. It is one of the latest device for sending written information and a message from one place to another, with both the places have the fax machines. Then, advantages of fax. There is so many advantages of fax machines. First one is speedy transmission. Fax enables transmission of messages, data, diagram, sketches and drawing with especially sent to high speed. Then second advantage is accuracy of information. It helps to send written information to any place within or outside the country accurately. Then third one is legal value. Fax provides a written document of the transmitted message and it can be used as a document in a court of law. Then fourth one is overcoming barrier. Fax can be sent to any point where there is availability of telecommunication media. There is no hassle to carry the document physically. Hassle means inconvenience. Then fifth one is confirmation of receiving. Fax provides confirmation for the data or information received by the user. Then sixth advantage is reliability. Reliability means truth. Emails require for your recipient to have the right software or technical knowledge to open any document you send. That is never a problem with your fax machine, though. All you need is the machine and your recipient fax number. Then seventh benefit is easy to use. Since fax machines have been used in offices for decades now, most people know how to use them. Even if you don't know how, though, they are easy to operate and you would not spend too much time trying to figure it out. Then next we are going to see about disadvantages of fax machine. First disadvantage is less privacy. Fax has less privacy as the transmitted data can be handled by anyone who is beside the fax machine. Then second disadvantage is hazy information. Hazy means not clear. Fax may send hazy information due to problem with the machine and therefore purpose of fastest delivery will be unsuccessful. Then third disadvantage is dependency on telephone system. Fax uses telephonic system to transmit data, and if such a system is down, then sending of data and information face problem. The fourth disadvantage is they cannot be reached easily. If you need to fax a document, you need to be beside your fax machine and do the faxing process. Say you are out of the office for a meeting and waiting for a confidential and urgent document to be sent to you by fax. What do? Nothing. Impossible is it sent. The fifth disadvantage is that cannot be moved easily. If you are changing your office, it is not that easy to move your fax machine and keep your fax number as well. Then the last disadvantage is they change you like a regular phone calling. If you own an international company and deal with different clients all around the world, you need to consider the cost of calling overseas whenever you try to send a fax via your fax machine. Thank you, students.